Matt Scott here from Days World, and today we're answering your frequently asked questions on heat pumps.
Sean wants to know, what's the deal with heat pump rebates? Rebates have never been better. Right now, Efficiency Maine is doubling the rebates on the most efficient models. Call today, and about the time you start saving on heating now and cooling come summer, you'll also get a double rebate from Efficiency Maine. Find more Mitsubishi Electric cooling and heating solutions at Days World, statewide and online at daysworld.com. Days World, awesome.